How to download and install Canva on PC. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Canva website by typing canva.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, scroll down to the bottom of the home page and you will find the section that says Download Canva for free. Under this, you will see option for both Windows and Mac. Next, select the version that matches your computer. If you are using Windows, click on the Windows option, and if you are on Mac, choose the Mac option. Here I am using Windows, so I will click on the Windows option. Then click on the button that says Download Canva for Windows. After this, the download will start automatically, and depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes to complete. Once the file finishes downloading, open the installer file by double-clicking on it. Follow the on-screen instructions by clicking Install and allow the setup to finish. After the installation is complete, you will see the Canva icon appear on your desktop. Now you know how to download and install Canva on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.